Have you ever wondered why so many businesses fail to get off the ground and become more than just a business on paper or an LLC? In this video, we're going to break down 3 essential practices every business owner should implement, whether you're at the beginning, middle, or end of your business, in order to set your business apart and set yourself up for lasting success. Well, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, approximately 20% of businesses fail within their first 2 years, 45% fail within their first 5, and a mind-blowing 65% of businesses fail within their first 10 years. Leaving only about 25% of businesses that actually survive 15 years or more. Now, why is that? That's because most businesses are started by entrepreneurs who have this vision of freedom and financial independence. But outside of their business plan, they haven't built a true financial framework. So how do you give your business the highest likelihood of succeeding? By creating a financial infrastructure for stability. The first step to avoiding this trap is you must first align the goals that you see for your business with the goals that you personally have for yourself and your life. I call this creating the destination. Picture the life you see for yourself. How much freedom do you have? How much security do you have? And how much time do you have to do what matters the most? Once you have this picture, understand that your business is going to be the vehicle that gets you there, not the vehicle that detours you and creates another life of stress. Now, in order to get to the destination, think about the resources you have available. The resources are your fuel. So how much capital do you have? How liquid are you? What are your average monthly expenses? What income do you need in order to live the life that you envision? Understanding this allows you to map out a plan from A to Z and which steps are need to be taken in between. This gives you a central purpose and helps guide you when it comes to decision making within your business. Are the decisions you're making for the better of the destination you're trying to get to, or is it going to detour you and take you on another route? The key is to ensure that your business is designed to serve you, not the other way around. Next, let's talk about keeping the business and the personal separate. And no, I'm not talking about those business relationships where the boundaries get a little too crossed and things get a little too personal. Nah, get your mind out the gutter. But understand, in the same way, you and your business are 2 separate entities. You have a social security number and your business has a tax identification number or an employer identification number. And trust me, there's a reason for that. Uncle Sam wants to know any and everybody who's getting some money, how much is coming in, how much is going out, and whatever his cut is. And this is where a lot of business owners get tripped up, because too many people are mixing the business and the personal expenses, or dipping into the profits for personal spending, which ends up just making things a nightmare when it comes to tracking your money and taxes. So how do we keep everything organized? We keep everything in 2 different houses. I always recommend business owners, when it comes down to keeping the houses clean and separate, we always want to track income and expenses for both sides. So for your personal side, there are several different personal finance apps that you can use to monitor your personal budget. But then when it comes to the business side, it's working with a bookkeeper to keep track of your receipts, keep track of your expenses, keep track of your purchases, and then meeting with a CPA on a quarterly basis just to make sure that the numbers are organized and they make sense. Next, let's talk about KPIs, right? Key performance indicators. Listen, you guys have heard the saying, men lie, women lie, numbers don't. If you're not monitoring the progress and the performance of your business, you're ultimately flying blind. This is where you have to step into the role of being the CFO, or Chief Financial Officer of your business. You want to track your metrics like your cash flow, your gross revenue, your net profit, your margins, and many more, so that you can get a clear understanding and really create a benchmark for whether your business is performing positively or negatively. Setting and reviewing these benchmarks regularly help you gauge your progress, but also help you make informed decisions within your business. Think of it this way: you're working on your business, not in your business. And having systems and metrics in place make that all possible. Understanding the value of your business is all based on its performance, because at some point somebody's going to want to come and purchase your business as an investment for themselves, and they're going to want to get a return on their money. Most business owners get caught working so tirelessly in their business that they never get to take a step back and see the bigger picture at hand. They miss out on truly understanding the value or the equity that they've created over the years of actually building the business. So when you're grinding day in and day out working in your business, make sure you take some time to take a step back to work on your business, because that will be the key for you creating lasting wealth, and financial security. And I believe these are the 3 essential practices that every business owner must implement in order to beat the odds, in order to be that 25% that lasts longer than 15 years in business. If you're a business owner currently working with a CPA or a bookkeeper and you still feel like you have a lack of clarity when it comes to your financial position, or you're unsure if your business is truly sustainable for the long term, don't worry, I got you covered. Click the link in the description below and check out my sustainable business checklist. It's designed to help you gain more confidence and feel more in control about your current and your financial future as a business owner. See you guys next time.